urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Huron County, northern Richland County, northwestern Ashland County, eastern Crawford County, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crestline, or 8 miles east of Bucyrus, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Galion, Shelby, Crestline, New London, Plymouth, Savannah, Greenwich, Bailey Lakes, Tyro, North Robinson, Nova, Sulphur Springs, and Shenandoah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Huron, and Richland. The urgent weather message.